Today we are going to be teaching you how to subtract and add negative numbers. So to understand, first we need to understand what are negative numbers. So first let's draw the number line. So if this is 0 and this is 1, the negative number would be the opposite of 1. So it'd be to the left of 0 by 1. So this would be -1, this would be -2, and this would be -3. And this is 2, this is 3. So, for example, if I give you the equation 3 plus -3. So, you can do this either two ways. First, you can do 3, you can cancel out the plus and say it's 3 minus 3. So, from 3, you go to the left by 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, it's equal to 0. Or, you could redo it and say -3 plus 3. What is this equal to? So first, if you go from -3 here, you have to go to the right by 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3. So this would be equal to 0. It's the same thing. Now, let's try doing subtracting numbers. Subtracting negative numbers. Okay, so now let's do -3. Wait, sorry. 2 negative 1 minus 2. So if we go from -1, we have to go to the left by 2 more units. So -1, 1, 2. So this would be equal to -3. So for negative numbers, you just, if you want to, you could draw a number line and change the order so that you can find out if you go to the left by how many spaces or to the right by how many spaces. And lastly, this one is the last one, -1 plus 1 minus 2 minus -2 and plus -3. What is this equal to? So first, let's see this. -1 plus 1. It is the same thing as 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we can cancel out this, and this would be equal to 0. Now, you have -2 minus -2. So first, the minus is changing into an opposite. So what would be the opposite of -2? It'd be 2, right? So then this is equal to plus 2. So what's -2 plus 2? So if we go from the number line, -2, go to the right by 2. So 1, 2. So this would be equal to 0. So 0, so this would be this equation, or this 0 plus 0 minus 3 is equal to what? So it's just equal to 0, go to the left by 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's equal to -3.